Lecture 5: Social Media Platforms. What to use and why. Think about the first thing you do when you wake up. For most people, it's checking their phone. And what's usually open? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, formerly Twitter, maybe LinkedIn or Facebook. Social media platforms are not just for scrolling, they have become powerful marketing tools for businesses, creators, students, and professionals. In this lecture, we will learn the most commonly used platforms, what makes each one unique, and how to use the right platform based on your audience and your goals. You don't have to be on all of them, just the right ones for what you're trying to do. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify the major social media platforms used in digital marketing, understand the audience, content style, and strengths of each platform, match a campaign goal to the most suitable social media channel, avoid the common mistake of trying to be everywhere. Why platform choice matters. Not all platforms are created equal. Each has its own tone, user behavior, content type, and audience. If you try to use Instagram like LinkedIn or TikTok like Facebook, you will likely waste time and miss your audience. Choosing the right platform is about understanding who you are trying to reach and how they like to engage. Overview of key platforms. Let's go through the most commonly used platforms one by one. Instagram, best for visual storytelling, lifestyle brands, events, and influencers. Audience, younger users, 16 to 34, visual learners, and mobile first. Strengths, stories, reels, carousels, and aesthetic appeal. Good for fashion, food, travel, personal brands, small business promotion. For example, a student launching a handmade jewelry business might post product photos, behind the scenes stories, and time lapse reels. TikTok, best for short form video, trends, humor, challenges. Audience, Gen Z, age 13 to 25, highly engaged and quick content consumers. Strengths, viral potential, casual and creative vibes. Good for quick tips, product demos, and day in the life content. For example, a study skills coach could use TikTok to share 15-second study hacks or productivity reminders. Facebook, best for community building, local marketing, and older audiences. Audience, adults 30 plus, parents, local shoppers, and alumni groups. Strengths, events, groups, longer posts, and business pages. Good for promoting events, managing group discussions, and community campaigns. For example, a university club promoting an open house or a charity drive could create a Facebook event and invite attendees directly. LinkedIn, best for professional networking, thought leadership, and job related content. Audience, students, professionals, hiring managers, or industry experts. Strengths, articles, career advice, and business insights. Good for sharing accomplishments, promoting services to professionals, or connecting with mentors. For example, a student launching a freelance writing service might share client wins, testimonials, and writing tips. YouTube, best for tutorials, vlogs, educational content, or long form videos. Audience, all ages, global, people who prefer watching over reading. Strengths, SEO friendly, content has long lifespan, and monetization options. Good for how to content, explainer videos, and personal storytelling. For example, a science student might use a channel breaking down tricky concepts using drawings or demonstrations. X, formerly Twitter, best for real time updates, opinions, and trending topics. Audience, journalists, activists, professionals, politicians, and news readers. Strengths, concise messaging, hashtags, and thread storytelling. Good for sharing thoughts, reacting to current events, and building niche communities. For example, a student interested in social justice might tweet about recent developments and link to blog posts or petitions. Pinterest, best for visual search, DIY, lifestyle, and planning. Audience, mostly women, ages 25 to 45. Strengths, long term content visibility, and pin boards. Good for recipes, design, fashion, study guides, and digital planners. For example, A productivity enthusiast might share printable planners and organize them into themed pinboards. How to choose the right platform for your goal? Ask these 4 questions. Who am I trying to reach? Age, interests, or profession? Where do they already spend time online? What kind of content can I realistically create? Text, photos, or video? What action can I want them to take? Visit, follow, buy, or share? Use the answers to guide your choice. Avoid the mistake, trying to be everywhere. Trying to post everywhere often leads to burnout. You don't need to master every platform. Just focus on one or two that match your audience and your message. Quality is greater than quantity. Consistency is greater than complexity.